Every day, billions of people around the world look for this symbol. A small green padlock, a sign that a website is secure, a sign that it's safe to trust. We've been taught that this padlock means we're protected, that our data is safe, that the website is real. But what if that padlock is lying to you? This is the truth about HTTPS that most people and most businesses don't know. When a website has HTTPS, it means the connection between your browser and that website is encrypted. The data traveling between you and the server is scrambled, so no one intercepting it in the middle can read it. That's genuinely useful. If you're on a public Wi-Fi network, HTTPS stops someone nearby from reading your data as it travels. But here's what HTTPS does not tell you. It does not tell you the website is trustworthy. It does not tell you the business behind it is real. It does not tell you your data won't be stolen once it arrives. The padlock only secures the road. It says nothing about the destination. Hackers understood this years ago, and they've been exploiting it ever since. A cybercriminal creates a fake website. They choose a domain name that looks almost identical to a real bank, a real marketplace, a real company. Then they install a free SSL certificate, which takes about 5 minutes and costs nothing. Instantly, the site gets HTTPS. The padlock appears. To the average visitor, both websites look exactly the same. Same padlock, same HTTPS. One is real. One will steal everything you type into it. And just like that, your username, your password, your financial data, it's gone. According to cybersecurity researchers, over 90% of phishing sites now have a valid SSL certificate and a padlock. The padlock has become a tool for deception, not just protection. And this is happening right here, in Indonesia, in Malaysia, in Singapore, every single day. So if the padlock isn't enough, what should you look for? The answer lies in understanding that not all SSL certificates are the same. The first level is called domain validation, or DV. This only confirms that whoever set up the website controls that domain name. No checks on who the person is, no verification of any business. This is what most phishing sites use, and it's available for free. The second level is organization validation, or OV. Here, a trusted certificate authority actually verifies that a real, registered business is behind the website. They check business registration documents, address, and contact details. It takes a few days, but it proves there is a real, accountable organization there. The highest level is extended validation, or EV. The vetting is thorough and strict. In many browsers, clicking the padlock will show the company's verified legal name. This is what major banks, financial institutions, and enterprise platforms use. It is the gold standard of digital trust. When your customers see OV or EV on your website, they know your business is real. That one moment of trust can be the difference between a sale and a bounce. If you run a business with a website, especially in e-commerce, finance, healthcare, or any field where customers share sensitive information, this matters urgently. First, upgrade your SSL certificate to OV or EV level. Stop relying on a free DV certificate that any hacker can also get in 5 minutes. Second, protect your company email with an S-MIME certificate. This digitally signs every email you send, proving it genuinely came from your organization, not from an impersonator. Third, consider a verified mark certificate, or VMC. This places your company logo directly in your customers' email inboxes before they even open the message. It is one of the most powerful trust signals in digital communication today. Encryption is the floor, not the ceiling. Real digital trust means proving who you are, not just securing the connection. The padlock is not the enemy. Encryption matters. HTTPS matters. But the padlock alone is no longer enough to separate a safe website from a dangerous one. The next time you see a padlock, look deeper. Ask what's behind it. And if you're a business owner, ask what you're showing your customers when they look at yours. SSL International helps businesses across Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore build verifiable digital trust. With premium SSL certificates, SMIME, VMC, and PKI solutions from the world's leading certificate authorities. If this changed how you see that padlock, share this video. Someone you know needs to see it.